Hello friends, welcome back to our channel. And today in this video here I am going to showing that how to stop TalkBack in your device. And now you think that what is TalkBack? And it is the settings in our device which is actually speaking to you. And if you enable this TalkBack in your device starts talking with you. Example, if you are dialing a number in your dial pad. And so in this video here I am going to showing that how to stop TalkBack in your device. And without wasting our time now, let's move to the video. Hello friends, welcome back to our video. And in this my display here you can see our watermark of TalkBack is on in my device. And you can see in every time if I need to open any application, we need to double tap the application. And once again, if you want to select one of the option in our settings or any application, you want to tap once again. And if you want to select it, you want to double tap the option from here. And if you are using a Redmi devices, it's in our accessibility settings in our settings. Or if you are using a Samsung or Vivo or Oppo any other devices, you can find the settings from any Google Chrome, or you can also go to the settings and you can also search the option in the search option. So after that, now let's see how to disable this option in your settings. And in my Redmi, I already said that it is in my accessibility settings. For moving to the accessibility settings, we need to just tap this additional settings from here. And after that, you can see option accessibility and just tap this accessibility and double tap it. And after that, you can see a option or a interface like this general vision here physical. And after that, we need to move to this vision option from here. And after that, double tap this vision from here. And after that, you can see the option TalkBack and just tap here first. And after that, once again double tap this TalkBack from here. And after that, we can see the option accessibility, and we want to once again tap this accessibility from here. And after that, double tap this option from here. And after that, they will ask a pop-up message, and we want to once again tap this stop from here. And after that, once again double tap. And our TalkBack has been disabled from our device. And by using this method, you can disable all type of TalkBack in any other devices like Vivo, Samsung, Oppo and etc. And if you can't find this TalkBack option in your device, just go to your Google and search your device name and model name and just see the procedure how to stop this TalkBack from here. And without wasting our time, thanks for watching our video.